Hello everybody, welcome to the Make Rich Money channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 amazing facts about digital products that you probably didn't know. Now, whether you're an entrepreneur just starting out or you've been in the game for a while, I guarantee you there are some things in this video that you didn't know. So without further ado, let's jump right in. I would advise you to watch until the end because we are going to give you some amazing tips towards the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so we can regularly help you with tips to grow your income. Now let's get straight into the video. Number 1, digital products have a higher perceived value than physical products. When it comes to value, digital products have a clear advantage over physical ones. For starters, in addition, digital products are often available in multiple formats, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Finally, digital products are often more engaging and interactive than their physical counterparts, making them more valuable in the eyes of consumers. So if you're looking for high-value products, digital products is the way to go. Number 2, digital products can be delivered immediately after purchase. When you make a digital purchase, you generally receive the product immediately. This is in contrast to physical products, which usually have to be shipped and can take days or even weeks to arrive. The immediacy of digital delivery is one of its major advantages. For example, if you buy a digital book, you can start reading it right away. If you buy a digital movie, you can watch it immediately. And if you buy a digital game, you can start playing it right away. Another advantage of digital delivery is that it is often cheaper than shipping physical products. So not only do you get your products more quickly, but you also save money. Digital delivery is more environmentally friendly than shipping physical products. There is no need for packaging or transportation, so there are fewer emissions involved. Number 3, you can reach a larger audience with digital products. By creating and distributing digital products, you can tap into a global market of potential customers. And because digital products can be easily shared and downloaded, you will be able to reach more people with your message than ever before. Plus, digital products are typically much more affordable than traditional print products, so you will be able to invest in your marketing efforts without breaking the bank. So if you are serious about reaching a larger audience, digital products are the way to go. Number 4, digital products don't take up physical space. You can store an unlimited number of digital products on your computer or other digital devices. This means that you can have an endless supply of digital products without having to worry about physical storage or shipping costs. Second, digital products can be duplicated with no loss in quality. So if you want to make a backup copy of a digital product, you can do so without any degradation in the quality of the product. Third, digital products can be very cost-effective to produce and distribute. So if you're looking for a cost-effective way to create and distribute information, digital products is the way to go. And fourth, digital products can be updated and customized much more easily than traditional products. So you can always keep your customer base happy with the latest and greatest features. Finally, digital products are not subject to wear and tear, and they have a longer shelf life than physical products. Overall, digital products offer a lot of advantages that makes them hugely appealing to both businesses and customers. Number 5, digital products can be created by anyone, regardless of their experience or skill set. In today's digital age, anyone can create a digital product. In recent years, there has been a shift from physical products to digital products. This is due to the fact that digital products can be created by anyone, regardless of their experience or skill set. For example, anyone can create a digital product such as an ebook, which can be sold online. You don't need to be an experienced designer or developer to create something that people will love. There are a number of tools and resources available that make it easy for anyone to get started. And the best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. So if you've ever wanted to create a digital product, now is the perfect time to get started. With just a little bit of effort, you can create something that will be used and appreciated by people all over the world. Get started today and see what you can create. Number 6, digital products are perfect for entrepreneurs who want to start a business with little to no investment. These days, it is easier than ever to launch a digital product-based business with little to no upfront investment. Thanks to the internet, entrepreneurs can reach a global audience with minimal overhead costs. Whether you are selling ebooks, online courses, or software applications, digital products offer a unique opportunity for entrepreneurs to start and grow a successful business. If you are an entrepreneur who is looking to start a business with little to no investment, digital products are the perfect solution. With digital products, all you need is a computer and an internet connection. There's no inventory to stock, no shipping costs, and no need for a physical storefront. What's more, you can reach a global market with just a few clicks of the button. And because digital products can be sold over and over again, you have the potential to generate passive income and build a sustainable business. So if you are looking for a low-cost way to start a business, digital products are the answers. Number 7, selling digital products is a great way to build an audience and create a loyal following. By offering high-quality digital products, you can attract attention from potential customers and followers who are looking for new and interesting content. It also helps you to build a deeper connection with your audience. Once you have built up a base of customers or followers, you can then start to promote your digital products more actively through social media, email marketing, or even paid advertising. When people buy digital products from you, they are not just buying content, they are also investing in you and your brand. As a result, they are more likely to become loyal subscribers and stick around for the long haul. Plus, selling digital products can be a great way to diversify your income. By selling digital products, you can reach a wide audience quickly and easily and build a loyal following that will support you in the long term. If you are looking for ways to take your social media channel or brand to the next level, selling digital products is a great option to consider. Number 8, digital products are easy to duplicate and can be sold over and over again. Digital products are appealing to many people because they can be duplicated and sold over and over again without any extra cost. You can also automate the sales process so that you can make money while you sleep. And if you create digital products that people love, they will tell their friends about it and you will get even more sales. This is a big advantage for digital product creators. They can focus on creating high quality digital content that will appeal to their audience. Furthermore, in this way, digital products have the potential to generate a lot of revenue for the creators. Of course, the competition in the digital market space is fierce, but with a well-executed marketing strategy, digital product creators can still find success. YouTube is one platform that provides digital content creators with a way to reach a wide audience and potentially make a lot of money. So if you're thinking about creating a digital product, don't let the competition scare you off. There's still plenty of opportunity for success. Number 9, customers are more likely to keep digital files than physical ones. In recent years, there has been a shift from physical to digital products. This is especially true when it comes to entertainment, such as music, movies, books, and games. As digital products continue to grow in popularity, it's important to understand the benefits they offer over traditional physical products. One major advantage over digital products is that they are much easier to keep track of and store. For example, let's say you purchase a digital book. Once you download it, you can store it on your computer, tablet, or phone. You can also back it up in the cloud so that if you ever lost your device, you won't lose your book. They can be accessed from any device with an internet connection. In contrast, if you purchase a physical book, you have to find a place to keep it, where it won't get damaged or lost. And if you want to take it with you on vacation, you have to remember to pack it in your suitcase. With digital products, there's no risk of damage or loss, and they are always easy to take with you. As a result, customers are much more likely to keep digital files than physical products. Number 10, digital product sales are on the rise, so now is the perfect time to get into this industry. These days, digital products are on the rage. From ebooks and online courses to digital downloads and softwares, more and more people are buying products that can be delivered electronically, and there's a good reason for this trend. Digital products are convenient, affordable, and easy to use. Digital products are becoming increasingly popular with people of all ages. With so many people going digital, now is the perfect time to get into the industry.